Hi, did you have heard of me, HUAWEI Nova 10C, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Okay, I should swipe to open, but I'll just turn off this option. Face recognition. Just swipe to unlock, off, or just directly unlock. So let's just try it once again. Okay, that's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here correct and fast, and we just unlock the device less than in couple of seconds. This is the good result. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.